If you need help with your R sound, I want you to go to my R video. The R sound will be where you'll start, and then you'll make your lips rounder, and you'll bring your tongue forward. We're going to do practice with the R sound in all positions of words. I just want for you to repeat after me. Do your best. Large. Large. Star. Star. Carve. Carve. Guitar. Guitar. Art. Art. Part. Part. Shark. Shark. Car. Car. Party. Party. Part. Part. Charm. Charm. Dart. Dart. If you have questions, I want you to comment down below. I'm here to help you, and this stuff is hard, but you're doing a great job. Keep up the good work and keep practicing. I'll see you soon. Bye.